Hey everyone, how's it going? Well, it's been a long time, hasn't it? And I thought I would make you a super short video to bring you up to speed with everything that's happening and to tell you that I am back. That's the biggest news. I know that I've taken breaks from YouTube in the past, but I've never taken a break quite this long in the channel's history. It's now going 4.5 years. I can't believe it. But I know that the last video that I produced was, I think, the end of June, and now it's pretty much mid to the end of September. And what I wanted to do was reassure you that there's nothing wrong. As you know, I've been getting a huge amount of work done to our house. It was very much needed. And between that and a full-time job and trying to do a little bit in the garden, you can imagine just quite how busy it's been. But the house is nearly done. Everything is starting to settle because it's autumn, and I feel like I can start to take a bit of time to get on top of the garden and to get back on track with the channel. And that's why I'm out here at the moment. I'm filming next week's video, and I've got another video in the pipeline for the week after. So don't worry, all of the kind of content that you love, and I know the kind of content that you love because you leave me comments and you tell me, it is coming back. Lots of colour, just like this, lots of interest and lots of inspiration. So make sure to look out next week for my next episode. It's going to be coming out usual time, Sunday, on my channel at 9 AM Irish UK time, and hopefully you're going to enjoy it. It's a topic I've never discussed before, but it's a fundamental, and really I think it's useful for everybody. To let you know how I've been really good actually, very busy. Quite tired from being very busy, but I am loving the fact that I am very nearly at the end of a massive house renovation. It's behind the camera, I'm looking at it. It's looking great, but my word has it been a lot of expense and a lot of energy, and it's been difficult, but good difficult. The garden has been sadly very neglected. I'm keeping a lot of stuff in soft focus in this shot, but a lot of stuff needs to be cleared out. I need to do a big reset, and that's what I'm going to be spending the next couple of weeks doing, because I know I have a couple of weeks off work, so I can enjoy doing that, and I can enjoy making some more content for you. In the meantime, thank you for your patience. I know that loads of you send me messages, whether it's comments here, emails, direct messages, contacting me on Instagram. It's really nice to know that you're sticking with me. So thank you for being there when the next episodes come out. And that's really it. This is just a bit of a ramble, but make sure to keep an eye out for next week's episode. You're going to love it. And like I always say, until next time, see you later.